ready.
Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do before we start, we're gonna go ahead and boil the peas. So we'll have some red peas. Using a lot of red peas here, so you just wanna make sure you wash the peas, get rid of the impurities. Not to say the peas is dirty, you know, but you just still wanna rinse it to make sure that it's clean. So rinsing this, removing the water. Alright, so we'll let this boil because the peas take the longest to cook. So we're going to put on it on the fire. Alright. You have Jamaican food before?
Nope.
Alright, so today we're going to be a lucky day. So when you make the rice and peas, you make sure so you have enough water to cover the peas. Right? Take a look, man. So we have the water, make sure you enough to cover the peas. Putting on. So this will take about 1 hour to 45 minutes to cook. When it's soft, it should be ready. So we're gonna let this cook. But this is while the peas is cooking, they can go ahead and prepare the stuff for the seasoning for the rice and peas. But I didn't have enough time. So it's scallion time.
What's inside the bag?
The bag? Oh, this is pimento. This is a Jamaican pimento. Just a few of them is good enough. It has a huge amount of flavor. It's like a punch. It gives you that nice kick of flavor. So maybe a few crushed garlic as well. Alright. So you wanna crush this. You wanna just put everything in the bowl. So we have the crushed pimento, the whole pepper. The pepper you don't want to cut this up because it's gonna be too hot. So we're using the whole pepper, you're still gonna get the flavor. So we add the pepper, a piece of thyme, and then we have the scallion. Most Jamaicans, when they cooking, they don't cook without scallion, so this is a must. What do you call this? Green onions?
Green onions, yeah. Scallions.
Scallions. Yep. And then we're using about 2 cloves of garlic. We're just crushing it. You know, let's mince it up. So we crush it, we're gonna mince it up. So we have that here. We have the Grace coconut milk. This. Don't try this at home. So this is the coconut cream. Or we like to call it coconut milk. So this way the peas, not straight, this way, yeah. So when the peas is cooked, then we add this one, which is the veggies for it, and then we add the coconut milk. I'm gonna leave everything over here. So it's gonna be easier. Coconut milk. And then we're gonna add some coconut oil. Instead of using butter, we're using coconut oil. So ooh, this pot hot. Peas still tough. So we're just gonna allow this to cook for a few more minutes. I wanna add some more water and allow it to cook.
Now we're good.
We have the peas ready, so I'm now gonna go ahead and season it up. One thing though, don't drink beer, have conversation and cook. Yeah, because some of the peas they kind of cook too much. Alright, so we add some more water to the peas. We're now gonna go ahead and add the veggies, the seasoning, and the coconut milk. Let's add some salt. We're adding about a tablespoon of salt. Instead of the butter, we're going to use some coconut oil. Alright, so we're going to bring this to a boil and then we're going to add some rice.
Hey Joe, are you excited to eat some Jamaican food? Damn.
Damn. Alright. Go ahead and taste this. Use a little bit more salt. You have more salt?
More than what's in there?
Yeah.
No.
Alright, then that's it.
Like I said, I can also literally 3 blocks away jump off and get more.
No, that's alright.
Okay.
Too much salt.
Yep.
This is about maybe pound and a half of rice. When you're washing the rice, basically what you're doing is just removing some of the starch. It's not necessarily to get it clean because the rice is clean, so we're removing some of the starch from it. So we just strain off the salt water. Alright, so we can head over to the pot now, and we're gonna add this to the rice and peas water. We're just gonna go ahead and pour in all of that. Here's the trick to the rice and peas. Like, so the cooking rice and peas, oh, you know if you have enough water in it, you want to make sure that it's 1 inch above the rice. So you can see that this is about 1 inch. So you make sure the liquid is 1 inch above the rice, right? So that way you have enough liquid in there. So let me taste this, make sure it's good. Alright, you can taste the coconut flavor from the coconut. Alright, just gonna add some more. Remember, we're not adding any butter, we're just using the coconut oil. You can also add a small amount of sugar. Alright. Cover this and reduce the fire so that it doesn't burn. Alright, that's good to go. Remember, let's clean as you go. So while this is going on, I'm just gonna clean up, let this fry, then I'm gonna make the carrot punch for you. And in the carrot punch, what are we gonna use? Use some cooked carrot and some guineas.
Oh yeah. A little differently.
Because I need
I'm okay.
this one is gonna be the
You
picture.
guys need anything from upstairs?
Good. We'll be alright. Should I get the pitcher of carrot out the refrigerator then?
Listen,
What do we got here?
this is a fried chicken, the goat, coleslaw, rice and peas.